This mobile app was created with PowerPoint. Step number 1. Open PowerPoint and change the slide size. Select 16 by 9 size. Make your app pages like this. You can link these buttons with slides. Step number 2. Save this presentation to your OneDrive and open it in Office 365. Now copy the embed code. Step number 3. Create a new text document and paste that code through HTML tags. Set width and height to 100%. Now save as HTML file and compress it to zip file. Step number 4. Go to static.app and upload that zip file. Now your project has a domain. Step number 5. Copy this domain address and go to median.co. This website allows you convert your website to a mobile app for free. Now paste that link you copy from static.app. Now add your app logo and make other settings. After make all adjustments, you can download your app files. Job done! Now you can install or add to app stores to your app.
Presentation more attractive with more transition.
This entire website was created using only PowerPoint. First, make the website pages using PowerPoint. Add a background image and select blank layout. Add objects using shapes. You can add a 3D model as well. After creating the first page, duplicate it and create the other pages as well. I made 5 pages for this website. Add header menu using text boxes and link to slides. To link website menu to pages, go to Insert and select Links. Copy and paste that menu to all pages. Select all slides and apply Morph Transition. Save the file to your OneDrive. Now open Office 365 on your browser. Open the file you saved to OneDrive. Then copy the embed code from Share. Create a new text document. Paste embed code to body. Save it as a HTML document and compress to zip file. Open the browser and go to static.app. This website allows you to host your project for free. Now your website, ready to launch. Don't make boring presentations. Try this easy PowerPoint trick and make your presentation more attractive. Open PowerPoint and make blank slide. Go to Format Background and add a background image. Now insert 3D objects. Add your text using text boxes. Insert a shape and send to back. Insert your product images and place in order. Make your data charts using rectangle shape. Change the color and duplicate the shape, pressing Ctrl+D. Now change the size and add data using text boxes. Then duplicate the bar. After adding your all data, duplicate the slide and change details and image. And make some changes to 3D objects. Repeat that process to all slides. After all, select your all slides and add Morph Transition.